another new science experiment which is everyone's favorite, almost everyone's favorite, slime. Stretchy, soft, moldy slime. I'm going to tell you how to make this slime in easy steps. The materials you require are measuring beakers, 100 ml warm water, slime activator, borax powder, any color, I am using green color, and some clear glue. Stirrer. I am going to do this in a few stages as our solution we are going to make will need some resting. For the first stage, you need a spoon and one spoon borax powder and 100 ml warm water. You're going to pour this borax powder in the warm water and mix it fast so that it dissolves. You need to mix it for approximately 3 minutes. We took warm water as a substance dissolved in warm water faster. I think that's enough mixing and we'll need to leave it for 30 minutes, which is half an hour. While our borax solution is getting ready, we can prepare the next solution, which is the glue solution. For that, you need 20 ml tap water and glue, your clear glue, and you need to add it in the solution till the total solution is 30 ml. Now I've added my glue and you need to mix it. For 3 minutes. And we'll leave it to settle and get ready for another half an hour. Now add 8 ml of your borax solution . Into your glue solution, which is your color solution, and while adding, stir continuously. Fast for 2 minutes approximate. The slime will start forming while you do that. If less, add more borax solution. Wow! The slime has started forming. Wow! My slime is complete. This is the final result that you will get. Wow! It looks so nice. It's very soft. I hope you enjoyed playing with your slime. Please like and subscribe my channel if you want more nice videos. Thank you. Thank you for giving me your time.